Tour here for Conestoga College for the upcoming year. These times have been trying for everybody, and virtual is becoming the new normal that we're going to be using. So we're having a virtual tour now of what we're going to offer for the heavy equipment technician program, and try and get you up to speed and understand exactly what our program is about, and hopefully encourage you to maybe come and join us as a student. That's what we'd really like. Why become a heavy equipment technician? Why come to our school? With these changes we're having now, we're going to find that one of our big changes in the world is going to be infrastructure. And we are going to need more heavy equipment technicians, and the job opportunities are going to be huge. We already don't have enough. The job market is just looking for students all the time and looking for technicians all the time. And so by taking this course, it's going to give you an opportunity to enter into that workforce or enter into that field. Why become a heavy equipment technician? The money, it's very lucrative money. It's very good pay in the job. You work outside a lot. You're not always trapped in one shop all the time like you are with other trades that you may take on. It is a trade, and tradespeople are going to be needed for years to come. We have a society today where we are going to need people like you. We're going to need the youth to take over for the people that are retiring. A big majority of the people that are in the heavy equipment technician are in their late 50s, early 60s that are working. They're already retired, and we need people to come fill those positions, and that's why we'd welcome you to come take the course. At Conestoga, we have two different ways that we do this post-secondary course. The one is our one-year program or a two-year program. Both programs are exactly the same in the first year. The first year, what you do is you're going to come and you're going to learn the basics of heavy equipment technician. You're going to learn how to rig, how to block, how to jack, hand tools, fasteners, machining, all the general little things that you would learn as an apprentice if you were working in a shop in your first years. We don't all get the opportunity anymore to be able to work on our own vehicles with the technology the way it is. So what we'd like to do is we bring you in and we bring you up to speed till Christmas in that first year. And we try and make everybody the same level. We try and make everybody understand the proper safe ways of working on equipment, the proper hand tools to use, and the proper techniques that we have in there, as well as giving you some hands-on experience on working on the equipment. When we come back after January in the first year, then we're going to start into some of our level 1 ministry-driven training that the ministry would do for apprentice. So you're actually going to take some of those courses that are going to be for the ministry as an apprentice, and you're going to learn the same way if you came in from industry as an apprentice. You're going to get the same training. You're going to get the hands-on training in the shop. You're going to get the theory training that we're going to give you. With our times that are coming, some of this theory training is going to be virtual training. We are going to have, or you're going to have to online training. With what we're learning now, we're going to be developing more videos of how to repair stuff. We're going to train more with videos if we have to do that. Hopefully we can all go back to our normal classroom and resume the way that we had it. But if not, at Conestoga we are prepared, and we are working hard in our team with our instructors that we can teach you online. We are going to be making videos through the summer, and we are going to be having those videos ready if we have to use those in the fall and in the spring. The level 1, the first year that you have, is exactly the same in both the 1 year and the 2 year. When you come back for the second year, if you take the 2-year program, and it is with a co-op, so you could work as a co-op after your first year through the summer, and you could get a paid co-op for that where you could make some money back. Then you would come back for the second year. What we're going to do in that second year is we're going to build on your training. We're going to go farther in depth into your learning. We're going to do more of the level 2 ministry driven training that they would do. We are going to work hard with you so that you will be up to speed, be able to go into a shop and have some abilities to be able to work on equipment and know it properly. We're going to have components that you're going to take apart and rebuild and go through them. We're going to have theory that you're going to do and going to have to understand. We're going to work one-on-one or as close as we can with one-on-one with you to help train you to be available to this job. What careers could you go into? There's lots of stuff. You could become a technician in a shop. You could work for one of the major companies like John Deere or Caterpillar or one of those companies. You could work in a smaller company where you're going to be working on equipment. You're going to be repairing equipment. You could be working on the service on the road where you're going out and repairing equipment. When you drive down the highway today, most of us don't understand, or they have not been in the heavy equipment trade, that how many pieces of heavy equipment do you see? That is only a touch on the heavy equipment industry. Those excavators, those dozers, those components and backhoes we see operating on the road, repairing it, are a very small amount of what is repaired out there in the world. We have mining, we have power generation, we have marine, we have all sorts of areas that we have to have heavy equipment technicians for. So you could be a heavy equipment technician working in any company. You may decide to go into a parts department in a dealership, or you maybe want to be a service writer. It's not always being the person that twists the wrenches. It could be the person that is behind the desk doing other things. So this course will take you in an advancement that you will learn more about that. And we encourage you to come and take the course. When you come to us, we're going to work with you. I work very closely with Red Legier. He works with me in the thing. He's in my other faculty. And we will do everything we can to get you up to speed, to get you in the place in the world if you're willing to learn and want to be able to do this on here. I thank you for taking this virtual tour and trying to make your decisions, which are hard now, of where you want to do or what you want to be in life. And I encourage you to maybe try and accept the heavy equipment. If you've already put in for it, then accept and confirm that this is that you're going to be coming. If you haven't and you're still decisive on what you may want to do, then put in your application to come to the college and become a heavy equipment technician. It's a very rewarding career out there, and it's going to be a career that's going to be around for years, and it's highly technological. We use in today's heavy equipment, you know, you're not just working as a grease monkey like we used to. Most of this equipment today is so far advanced with telematics and computers and that you're basically going to be an electronics technician on some of this stuff because of the advancements that we have. If you choose just to be the grease monkey, there's lots of work just to change tracks, oil changes, greasing, and then there is so many different areas that you can head within the field that there's no one area that you say, that's what I want to do. You could do that because it is very open in all the different areas you can work in on there. If you choose you just want to be inside of a shop for your life repairing equipment, that is available. If you don't like being trapped in a shop, the road might be where you want to be and you're traveling around repairing equipment. The opportunity is endless in heavy equipment technician, and we are going to need them. So once again, my name is Greg Dinsmore. I will put a little slide up with my email address and Reg's email address so that you can contact us if you have any further questions. I'm sorry that we're living in these times now where we can't meet face to face, but maybe this little virtual tour will be good enough for you, and I'm looking forward to you conferring back to me on this and maybe seeing you in the fall in one of our classes. Okay? Thank you very much. Have a great day.